Hey everyone, are you interested to learn Power BI? Then you are in the right place. I am here to help you with Power BI. By the way, I am Microsoft certified Power BI data analyst. Before going to learn what Power BI is, let me answer you to the questions why and how. That is, why one should learn Power BI and how it is going to help you in your career. Welcome to our channel, The Analytical Coding. So, why one should learn Power BI? Power BI is more powerful today. Anyone can learn it easily, and most importantly, it is in demand skill and it makes visualizing data easier. And at last, it is really fun learning Power BI. That is, it is fun to drag and drop data into different charts. So, how it is going to help you? As I said, Power BI is in demand skill, and there are tons of jobs that are hiring for candidates with Power BI skills. And these days, working with and understanding data plays a key role in many jobs. So, why waiting? Let's get started with Power BI. So, before knowing the definition of Power BI, let us know what BI means. So, BI stands for Business Intelligence. Think raw data as group of letters. So let us assume we need to make our name from these letters. So searching for each and every letter takes time. So it is a bit confusing and time taking. But if we keep it in a proper manner, then we know which names can be formed from the letters. So this is what BI means. So set of techniques for the transformation of raw data into meaningful and useful information so that business can take important decisions. So simply BI is a technology that get the right data to the right people at the right time. So don't get confused by this definition. You will understand it easily once we step into Power BI and learn it. So let's move forward. What is Power BI? Power BI is a collection of software services, apps, and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated sources of data into visually interactive insights. So your data might be Excel or cloud based and on premises data warehouses. So Power BI lets you to easily connect to data sources, visualize, and discover what is important and share it with anyone or everyone you want. So it is as simple as this image where data from different sources are loaded and transformed in Power Query Editor and then loaded into Power BI Desktop where data is converted into actionable insights. So this is just definition. Let us know a bit more about Power BI. Power BI offers three main platforms: Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, and Power BI Mobile. Each serves a different purpose and caters to different user needs. Here is an overview of each. Power BI Desktop. It is a desktop application for creating reports and dashboards. It supports data modeling, report creation, DAX, and local storage. So it is ideal for data analysts and report creators who need to design and build reports. And the next one, Power BI Service. It is a cloud based service which supports sharing, collaborating, and consuming reports and dashboards. It also supports data refresh, creating apps, and workspaces. And the third one is Power BI Mobile. So it is a mobile application for accessing and interacting with Power BI reports and dashboards on the go. It is perfect for users who need to access reports and dashboards while on the move. So together these platforms provide a comprehensive solution for data analysis and business intelligence. So enabling users to create, share and access insights from anywhere. So let's meet our Power BI desktop in our next video. Stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you.